Top of the morning, ladies and gents. Just wanted to do you a quick video giving you some instruction and sort of teaching you how to actually ask the right questions when you're booking a paint correction or ceramic coating. Now, the reason for this video, I've seen a lot of misrepresentation, I've seen a lot of false marketing with regards to paint correction and ceramic coating. So I want to give you the tools that you need when you're calling around getting a few quotes. That's absolutely fine. We all want to save money, but when you're looking at actual detailing and high-end ceramic coatings, the cheapest quote is not necessarily the best way to go. So the sort of questions you want to be asking when you're calling around getting these quotes, which is absolutely fine, you want to be asking which ceramic coating is actually being used, and are you going to supply me with a warranty for that coating? Another question you want to ask is what preparation are you using on my vehicle before the coating goes on? So we all know before ceramic coating can bond directly to the paintwork, you actually need to prepare the surface for the coating to bond. So you would use a degreasing, de-waxing agent. We use a Gyeon prep, okay, which is a high level preparation. If you use the wrong kind of preparation, the coating will not bond to the car and it will wear off very quickly. If you do not use a top level ceramic coating, the actual coating, the actual formula of the coating will diminish and wear off very quickly. Another thing that you want to ask is what compounds and polishes, what machinery, what polishing pads are you using on my car? This is because all different pads do different things. So if they are using a high wax content polish and then not actually prepping the paint properly, then the coating is going on top of the waxy polish and it will just wear off within weeks because it hasn't bonded to the paint properly. When you're looking at polishing pads, they all do different things, as do all different compounds and polishes. So you might use a polishing pad that it looks good in the shade, so the car looks absolutely great and shiny and glossy and corrected in the shade. But when it pulls out into the sunlight, when the sunlight hits it directly, you can actually see heavy cutting etching that can be caused by heavy cutting compounds and heavy cutting pads, which is absolutely fine. It's part of the paint correction and scratch repair process. However, you do need to do a correction and a refining in some cases, depending on what sort of paint you're working with, to actually get the perfect finish. So if you go to somebody that uses a heavy cut to cut corners, and it looks good in the shade, but in the sunlight it looks terrible, and they've put a ceramic coating on that car, you've now got a big problem on your hands because you've got to go back, get them to strip the coating off, you've got to get them to correct the paint again, and they must reapply the coating, and they must do this all free of charge because they've already charged you once to do the job, but it hasn't been done properly. This can prove to be a very awkward situation for the customer and for the detailing company, when if you had actually just gone to a reputable, accredited, insured, experienced, certified company in the first place, these sort of eventualities wouldn't happen. So I just wanted to give you a few of the tools there that you want to be thinking about, and the sort of questions, the line of questioning that you need to get the best for you and for your car and for the money that you're investing in protecting your vehicle. Thanks very much for watching, and hope to see you all soon.